So apologies, this is part 2. So this is the roundup of what we get in the box. So what we have so far is the watch. We have the charging block, which is a small enough device. We have the USB to micro USB lead. And we have a warranty card for the Powerwatch. And we also have a user manual, along with other pieces of paper that look like safety instructions, bit of marketing material, and of course the manual. So the user manual is there too. So that's it, guys. That's all what comes with the Powerwatch 2. It's a complete kit. Feel the watch is good. Just need to get it set up now. So that's it. Stay tuned. I'll do some videos, hopefully a little more dexterous, with a little more dexterity than I have done for these two. So that's part 2 over. Cheers. Bye.